Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this Cotsoco Shiatsu back, neck and shoulder massager with heat deep tissue for the kneading pillow. And so here we have it in this beautiful packaging. So this would also work as a great gift for family, friends or relatives. And here on the side we have also some specs, and in the back more information about what we can do, but I'm going to show you that anyway. Then it's important to know that a lot of people are buying actually the wrong thing. A lot of people are buying these massage guns, and only after a couple of days or weeks or months they will find out that it was the wrong decision, because if you have some pain in the back or neck or shoulder, it's impossible to treat yourself with a massage gun there, and to find somebody who will do that for maybe 3 times a day for 10 minutes and this for maybe a week or 2, this will be almost impossible. So this is the way to go if you have some pain in the back, shoulder or neck. And so you can see it comes even with this nice carry transportation or storage bag. This is a huge advantage. A lot of these devices come without any bag. So this is absolutely awesome. Then it comes with this car power adapter for the cigarette lighter. And we have also, of course, the 110 volts power supply, and it comes also with this instructions manual. I hope it's focusing nicely so you can read everything. And here also in the back, but of course it's rather small, so I'm going to show you that anyway. And so let's check the inside, and also inside it's another time nicely protected. And so we plug it into the 110 volts, and then we hook it up here to the power cable, and then we have the functions here. We can turn it on. You can see it goes automatically in the first mode, but we can also switch the direction here with this button. And here we have the 3 different speeds. This is slow, this is medium, this is high, so you can select whatever you want and fits for your needs. And here we can activate or deactivate the infrared. When it's red, the infrared is on and will provide additional relief through the infrared. And the good thing is that there's an automatic program built into this device. So when we start it, it will work for exactly 15 minutes and then stop. And during this time, it will change the direction every minute. So this is actually perfect, and usually you don't have to change anything. And when the 15 minutes are over, then you will know that you have been treated perfectly. And so as far as I can see, it is a very nice build. You can see all the seams, all the stitches, everything is nicely built, everything is sturdy, and it has really quiet operation even when we are pretty close. So I've been using this device now for a while, and it worked absolutely perfect for me. It comes also with this nice shape here on top, which fits snugly to your head, and also on the other side. And here we have this nice opening for our arms, so we can control the height and the strength and everything. So this is absolutely perfect, doesn't get any better than that, and it's so easy and comfortable to use. It doesn't need any power, any special strength or so. This can be very relaxing. You can use it while you're watching your favorite TV, movie or show. You can do this easily for 15 minutes. You could even do this for hours. There's absolutely no special strength also needed. You just sit comfortable in your chair or sofa and then push it a little bit against the back. Absolutely no power needed. And so you can buy it directly here from Amazon, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. Thanks for watching.